Good morning. It is currently around 6:15 on Saturday morning. This is what we do for car parts people. When you tell someone you'll meet them in the morning for car parts, even if they're 2 hours away, you get up and you go. I got up at 5 because we were supposed to watch The Mandalorian. And I was like, no, I need another hour. So I got up at 6. But we're almost ready to go. Getting something for the Prelude. So that's exciting. We finally have just hit a point where we're gonna try and fix everything we can. We might eventually pull out the engine and just clean the engine bay a little bit more, kind of work around the fact that I don't have a good engine at the moment. What do you think? What do you think? Daisy said it's too early for this. What you think, Phoebe? Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have a fun little ride. I'm gonna probably stop at Dunkin' and get some coffee first. It has begun with the donkey of donkeys.
So we're on our way to Orlando. We'll pick up a sunroof, and Rachel starts having some issues with the battery light. Gauge is not working, but I think her alternator is going bad, so we're gonna see if she can get one now. I think we're gonna try to wait and not change it right now, see how far we can get, but that thing's not gonna be fun down there to change. So we'll see how it goes. Road trip is gonna be great.
Back at our trusty store because the CRV always has something going wrong. Just had to buy a new alternator. We're gonna try to finish our trip to Orlando. The battery light's off, the gauges are working again. We're gonna see what we can do. If I have to pull off and change it, we have to pull off and change it. Not looking forward to this.
Also, it's not an S2000.
Yeah, it's not an S2000, so it's gonna be a pain. Probably like 2 hours to get this alternator changed out. Really hope I don't have to do it on the side of I-4.
One thing about the B-Series that sucks.
This wasn't the content that I wanted to do today, guys. I was like, hey, we're doing a trip to get some parts for the Prelude. Woo woo! The CRV got jealous. We were doing something for the Prelude. She's like, you're not putting those things in me. So
Putting off the alternator for a long time.
I know, the alternator's been making a lot of noise for probably like 8 months now. And I'm like, when it goes, it goes. I just didn't expect it to go in Lakeland. We're like 45 minutes away from our destination and about 45 minutes away from home. Even Bradenton's not like Lakeland. Fun fact, I was born in Lakeland.
Well, good to be home, huh?
That was almost bad. He didn't disconnect the battery and we're over here trying to remove the alternator. We got the parts. We changed out the alternator. You guys ready? It's nothing really exciting. Just a new sunroof! Excuse you, mister. I enjoy your crotch rocket, but you're ruining my video. But yeah, so we got a 5th gen top. I'm obviously gonna have to change this out because I have cloth gray interior. Leather tan is a little different, but we've heard that these fit in properly. You just have to re-drill something. I don't know if it's like the brackets or what, but we will figure it out when we get there. But I'm so glad that it came with like the motor and everything. Hopefully this one won't rain in the car.
Would be nice.
I would enjoy not having my car rained in. But yeah, so now we just gotta make the trek home. Yeah, it's another step towards cosmetically making the Prelude more pleasing, but it also will make it easier for prepping for paint or wraps, with the fact that I have like a double aquarium seal around the lid. We'll have to like peel all that up, pull everything out. Probably gonna need to go to Home Depot and buy a tarp because this may be longer than a day's work. We'll see. It depends on the day, I guess.